Okay, my crafty friends, today is the day we're going to be drawing the name of the winner of the 100 subscriber. And I know that you guys can see that there is multiples of one. Don't worry about it, because this here will filter the duplicate names and make sure that only one person gets entered into the drawing. And if you guys are ready, I'm going to do a count from 5 to 0, and then I'm going to press the start button. 1, 0. And the winner is Judy Chong. Please PM me for your address so I can have everything ready. I will be mailing out your winnings. Congratulations on Judy Chong for being the winner of the 100 subscriber to my channel. Thank you so much, you guys. But please PM me so I can go ahead and get your address and mail out your craft box. It's going to be a complete crafting box of all the items for different types of crafts. So PM me. I will be talking to you. And again, congratulations, the winner, Judy Chong.